Hai, salam dari New York. Di sini banyak sekali buku-buku bacaan dalam bahasa Inggris yang bermanfaat buat anak-anak belajar membaca. Saya tahu di Indonesia tidak banyak buku-buku bacaan bahasa Inggris yang di-grading berdasarkan kemampuan membaca anak. So, di video-video saya akan saya bacakan beberapa buku. This one is seri I Can Read. Mereka menggrading berdasarkan ini. Buku yang ini my first reading, ideal untuk anak-anak yang baru mulai belajar membaca. Misalnya bisa membaca 1-3 huruf dalam satu kata. Kemudian ada grade berikutnya, sedangkan ini grading level yang dipakai di sekolah. Ini untuk anak yang membaca buku ini, sedangkan ini untuk grading untuk orang tua yang membacakan. Well, let's get going dengan videonya. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups by James Dean. Hiccup dalam bahasa Indonesia cegukan ya. It's a bit tricky to stop a hiccups. Okay, let's get started. Hiccup. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup? Hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad.
How do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Hic! Pete still has the hiccups. Hic! Pete asked Callie.
How do I stop my hiccups? I know,
says Callie.
You stand on one foot and hop up and down.
Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup! Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus.
How do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup! 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 Pete still has the hiccups. Oh. Pete asked Bob.
How do I stop my hiccups?
I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup! Oh, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asked. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits, and he waits, and he waits. The The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end. This is the series of More Pete the Cat. I Can Read. Nanti kalau saya sudah punya buku-buku yang lain, saya bacakan lagi ya. Bye now.